Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So Family Dollar gave us a 5 off of 25 coupon this week. Yes, y'all. So we're about to get into a couple all digital deals that anyone can do and maximize some savings with these coupons. So I'm actually going to do two different deals today because I want to use up some older digital coupons that I have. And then of course I want to do a deal with all of the new coupons that everyone should have. So we're going to do two different deals. But if you have not ever couponed at Family Dollar before, check below in the description box. I'm going to have a video link for you on how to use a 5 off of 25 coupon to make this so much easier for you. But you just want to create a digital account, enter your phone number in at the register when you check out so all of your digital coupons can apply. So without further ado, let's get started with today's deals. So the first thing that I'm going to grab is one of the Tide liquid laundry detergents. So these are actually on sale for $4.95 this week. Although there's no sales ad, so it's hard to tell. These are $4.95 and we're going to use a $2 off one digital coupon. We're also going to grab some Gain Flings. These are on sale for $3.95. So we have a $1 off coupon for these. We're going to load that and use that as well. So the next item we're going to grab is one of these Dawn Platinums, the 7-ounce size for $1.50. So we have a nice little glitch going on where the $1 digital coupon is attaching to these, making these little babies only 50 cents. And shout out to Dawn's Deals for confirming that this is a go. She has an awesome YouTube channel where she covers Walgreens, Dollar General, Family Dollar. She's a fantastic couponer. If you're not following her, definitely go check her out. But we're going to grab two of these today since I'm going to do two separate transactions for 50 cents each. Now we're going to grab two of the Febreze plugs. So these are $5 regular price, but we have a $5 off digital coupon when you buy two. So we're going to grab two of these in both of our transactions today. Now I'm going to grab one of these Airwick starter kits. These are $3.50 here, but I have an older digital coupon for $1.50 off of one. And then we're going to grab two of these Airwick Essentials Oils double pack refills. So these are $5. I'm going to use our buy one get one free digital coupon. Next up, we're going to grab some Always pads. These are $3.50, but we have a $2 off one digital coupon. Lastly, I'm grabbing a Crest toothpaste. This is the whitening for $2, and I'm going to use the $1 off one digital coupon. Okay, so here is my first all digital transaction that anyone should be able to do. These include all of the new coupons that we have going on right now. So I have one of my Dawn 7-ounce. Those are $1.50. I'm going to use that $1 off digital coupon. I have my Tide that is $4.95. We're going to use that $2 off digital coupon. I have my Crest at $2. We have a $1 digital. Now that is not attaching on the app, so I'm hoping that it attaches at the register. Let us pray. But we're going to use that $1 digital coupon, and then we have the Always that are $3.50, and your price will vary by store on items that are not on sale. So hopefully it's $3.50, or at some stores it may be $3.25, and we have a $2 digital coupon. Then I'm going to grab two of the Febreze plugs at $5. Going to use that $5 off of two digital coupon, and my Gain Flings at $3.95. I am going to use my $1 off digital. My total before any coupons are applied, I believe, is $25.90. That qualifies us to use our 5 off of 25 store digital coupon. So we're going to load that plus all of those other digitals. That should take off a total of $17 in coupons, bringing our total down to just about $8.90. Now let's go on to transaction number 2. All right, so this is deal number 2, and this is going to have some older digital coupons that not everyone will have in their account because they had to be previously downloaded. But if you do still have these digitals, then you can take advantage of this deal. So with this deal, we're going to buy $20 in plugins plus the starter kit for $3.50. So for the Airwick, we are going to use that buy one get one digital coupon that should take off $5. Then we have the buy one get one free coupon, or the $5 $5 off of 2 for the Febreze plug. That'll take off another $5. And then we have our $1.50 off digital for the starter kit. And then we have another Dawn Platinum that we are going to use the $1 off digital coupon on. Our total should be exactly $25 subtotal for this deal. That qualifies us to use that 5 off of 25 store coupon. So we're going to load that plus all of those other digitals. That should give us $17.50 in savings, making this just $7.50. So let's hope that works out as well. So let's go and check out. All right, you guys, so both of our transactions went well. We only had one hiccup, which I knew may happen, and it did happen. So let's talk about both of these deals. So here is transaction with all of our smell goods. So we got our 2 Febreze plugs, our 2 wick oil warmers, our double packs, our Dawn, and our starter kit. That came out to, hold on, let me zoom and focus. That came out to $7.50 in that deal, and we had a total savings of $17.50, just as we anticipated in that all digital deal. So $7.50, that was the bomb. Now let's go on to transaction number 2. This is where we had the little hiccup at. So here's all of our items. We got our Gain $1 digital, our Always $2 digital, our Febreze with the $5 digitals, our Crest is where we had the hiccup. So I clearly did not have the right toothpaste. So watch your toothpaste there or swap that out for a different item, because that $1 did not attach for me. And I don't know if it was just the one that I picked up, but that $1 was an issue for me. So there's the Dawn $1 digital, and then there is the Tide. Our 5 off of 25 came off, made our subtotal $9.90 instead of the $8.80 that it should have been. And I only had a savings of $16 instead of $17 in this deal. So just watch out for that Crest and swap it out if it is not attaching in the app. But still, 2 deals under $10. I shall not complain. I think we got some great savings. So let me know if you have any questions. As always, I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button, and you know I will talk to you soon. Bye.